Today is December 24th, 2021, and it's 8 a.m. And we have here a Budweiser bow tie with the picture of Vicente Fernandez, a very famous singer, Mexican singer that just passed away. So, just like always, I'm gonna check the sign. This one. So on this sign, the reg section is broken. So I'm gonna test. This time I'm gonna test it with a tester, with a neon tester, to see if every other unit is okay. This one lights up a little bit, so it is okay. On the back, it has 2 units. This one's okay. And this one also lights up. But how about the transformer? Is it working? So I'm going to have to connect everything because I had already disconnected everything. But I'll just do a quick connect. So again, I go to the 2 electrodes of the broken piece and put a jumper wire. One here, and the other one here. So this will tell me if everything else works, including the transformer. Everything looks good. The 2 back parts are lighting up. The Budweiser is lighting up. So the only thing wrong with this sign is the bow tie that's broken here. So we gotta take out the broken piece. Now in this case, to take out the bow tie, you have to take out the Budweiser. I already took out all the wires, the tie wires, so I'll just pop it out. Now I can take out the Budweiser, the bow tie, I mean. And I'll put temporarily back the Budweiser. And put the sign somewhere else so I can work. Now to make a pattern, which I already did. Here it is. And now check the diameter of the glass with this handy tool that tells me what diameter the glass is. This one telling me that's 12 millimeter. And then I haven't completed the whole thing, and the whole pattern, I mean. Oops. Oops. Okay. There's the pattern. Now to make it. So now Next step here, the unit is already pumped and with gas and everything. And now the next step is to block out the parts that are not supposed to light up with black paint. In this case, it's the electrodes and these two parts. Those are the ones that are not supposed to light up. I'm going to save the pattern for I may be using it later, so I'll save it. I'll need a piece of paper so I don't get paint all over the place. So now I have to wait for it to dry, and that would take several hours. So I'll be back to install it on the sign when it's already dried.